turn off the breaker so you can cut off the electrical from the breaker to your dishwasher. Cut off your water from the supply line. Remove 2 screws under the counter. Remove 4 screws, 2 on each side, so you can take the dishwasher bottom panel out. And you see right here, that's your electrical box. Remove the cover and unhook your electrical wire. Remove your water supply line from your water valve, and remove your discharge line from your disposal or your drain line coming out from the wall. Take the dishwasher out, lay it on the back side, on the floor, on a piece of carpet or drop cloth. And first thing to do is, order to remove your repeller and seal kit inside your pump housing right here. So first we're gonna have to remove the rod support from the pump motor. Then you're gonna remove 1 clamp right here that going to the sump, and the second clamp going to your spray arm. So let's remove this first. Loosen it. And then you remove 1 clamp right here from the drain line right here. It's a 1/4 inch. Disconnect your wire connection to the pump motor, wire connection to your drain solenoid. You can remove your pump. So this right here is your cutting blade, and your seal and repeller gasket is inside here. Let's remove this. We're gonna need the channel lock. So what you do is use your channel lock to hold down the motor shaft, and then use your needle nose. Remove your cutting blade counterclockwise. And then you need to remove the suction ring. We using the putty knife, and this suction ring right here is left thread, so you have to loosen it counterclockwise. You have to loosen it clockwise. I'm sorry. So you can remove it. Then you're gonna have to lift out the wearing. And the retainer. And it's showing your impeller right here. And use your channel lock again. Hold down the shaft, the motor shaft. Use your needle nose, turning it counterclockwise to remove it. And right now you're going to remove the motor out from away from the pump housing. There are 3 screws, so we're gonna have to remove it. Your pump is, your motor is out. And as you see right here, that's the seal for your shaft of your motor shaft, so it's not leaking. In order to remove it, use your nut drive. You can push it out, and that's the seal coming out. So for your seal kit, you're gonna have the alright, for the impeller and seal kit, it costs you about $28, and you can fix the leak of your dishwasher if it's leaked out from where the motor is. It's very inexpensive to replace and doesn't take much time. The seal kit comes with the cutting blade, the impeller, the wiring and the retainer, and it's come with the motor shaft seal right here. So we can put it back in. So let's put this back in. As you see, you got a plastic, white plastic on one end, and the other end doesn't have that. That's gonna go to the back of your housing. You can just slice it down, make sure it's down real good, and lay your pump housing down. Put your motor back in. Remember one thing, your capacitor on the motor is gonna be the opposite side of the solenoid, so that way you can put it in correctly. Slice it down, and you got 3 screws, so we're gonna put the 3 screws back in. Make sure everything tight. Okay. Now you're gonna have to put your impeller back in. Use your channel lock. Hold down your motor shaft and turn it clockwise. And use your needle nose. Tighten it down. That should be good enough. And put back your wiring and retainer. And you want to make sure align the clip right here going to the slot. And you put back your suction ring. And to lock it, that's gonna be go counterclockwise. Use your putty knife. Tighten it down. And again, that's your cutting blade. Hold down your motor shaft. Turn it in clockwise. Use your needle nose. Tie it down. And let's push everything back. You need to make sure all the clamp is tight. Reinstall your support rod for the pump motor. Reconnect your electrical wire harness and your solenoid. And lean your dishwasher back in. Reinstall and reconnect everything. Turn the units back on. Run a test to see if anything else leaking. And that's it, how you replace the impeller seal kit from your pump motor. I'll see you next time for the next session.